Okay. Sama ka dyan.
Subscribe now.
Hello!
Hello!
Biglaan na naman kami. It's been a while.
Biglang-bigla,
Magkakaroon kami ng bagong, ng surprise o medyo unplanned.
Oo.
Marami kasi nag-message na hindi nakaabot ng ng live kahapon.
Ng live, oo.
Kaya ngayon, magla-live tayo uli. Yan.
Yan, okay.
Pagpasensyahan nyo na, hindi pa namin na-finalize yung topic dahil nga biglaan ito at libre naman kaming tatlo mamayang gabi. But maybe one of the things that we can talk about, kakausap lang naming tatlo, yung bagong caregiver pathway, mukhang magkakaroon ng bagong pilot na PR on arrival ang balita.
Landed PR. Napakaganda yan, no?
Lupit mo, landed.
Oo.
Grabe. Tignan ko, magbabasa din ako about it kung meron ng detalye, which I doubt kasi sobrang bagong announcement pa lang siya. Anyway, we'll see you guys later.
Anong oras?
Okay. Ano ba? 8.
Mamaya, 8
Okay.
p.m. 8 p.m. Ontario time, 6 p.m. Regina time, and 8 a.m. Philippines time. Yan.
Yan.
At kung meron ko yung ibang suggested topics, you can comment it dito sa etong episode na to. So mamaya pwede namin mabasa. Tingnan natin. Okay.
Okay, mga Dre. See you later.
Subscribe now.